Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ my name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the beef jerky. Plus, I'm going to have the product review for you. Today's video is not sponsored, but the Rovsun it give me free food dehydrator for review. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this with you. Okay. I just know this is a food dehydrator, but I didn't see the food dehydrator inside yet. Okay. So, they're kind of big. And first I see it's a book how to use. Okay, and they're shipping with all the secure, very good secure. Okay, when I try to open the box, so a little bit heavy and hard for me to bring it out from the big box, so the cameraman it helped me. And so after when we remove everything, I remove the plastic cover, and I see the one book, the instruction, and in here I have some recipe and tell you how to use, and also they have the 10 rack. Okay, 5, they have 2 bags and 5 in each bag, so 10 total. And also in here, this is how it look inside, so I can do a lot at one time. Oh, and then they have the tray on the bottom. So, yeah. They have the power here, you can turn off, turn on back here, and all the temperature and turn off, turn on button is up here too. It seems like easy to use, so I'm very excited to try this recipe with this dehydrator today. Okay, and today the beef I use sirloin roast. I use 4 pounds. Okay, and now we're going to start cutting the thin slice. Okay, 4 pounds. I might remove some extra fat too, but let's see. I'm just going to cut them about this thick. Okay. So I done cutting the beef, and I end up remove a lot of fat out, and then the extra, the tendon, we not need to use inside our beef jerky. But also this how thin that I cut. And also if you want to use different beef, it's up to you. It's up to you what the beef that you choose. Okay, so now I'm going to marinate the beef. I'm gonna put in the bowl. Okay, and today I'm going to do the Thai style marinade. So, but it will be very simple and easy. I will use the oyster sauce. I will use the 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Okay. I'm sure if you cook Asian food at home, you will have oyster sauce. So I will use 2 tablespoons. Alright. And I will use about 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. 1. This is about 3 pounds the beef after I remove all the fat. Next going to be 2 teaspoons black pepper. 2 teaspoons. Okay. And next is gonna be 2 teaspoons the coriander powder. The coriander seed, but I got to be all the powder already, so it's easy to use. So coriander powder, I will add 2 teaspoons. Okay. And next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon salt. And the last ingredient is gonna be 2 tablespoons sugar. I use brown sugar. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And now I'm going to use my hand and massage and make sure everything is mixed well together. Okay, so I give our beef massage for about 3 minutes, and now all the ingredients they go into the beef very good now. As you can see, black pepper and all the sauce. So I'm going to keep our beef marinate about 4 hours. So now when we wait for our beef marinade, I want to talk about the little bit about the Rovsun Dehydrator 10 tray, and they come with the stainless steel. They have stainless steel and they have the glass door and easy to open. This is the glass door and very nice with the stainless steel, and also I like the control up here, the menu board up here. I really like them. It's easy to use. I never tried before, so I wasn't 100%, but the way I look, I like how they look like now. And also they have the instruction for you and to tell you about how the temperature to use with the vegetable, beef. So I'm excited. I'm really excited about the recipe today because this is the first time using. So okay, now being 4 hours that we marinate our beef, so now I'm ready to put inside the rack and let dehydrate. I'm very excited about this recipe too because I never used this dehydrate. This is my first time using. So we're gonna see how it turned out. Okay, I hope it's good. Okay, so I'm going to put the first one inside now. Okay, and then I will finish all and we come back again and check them out again. Okay, so now I put all the beef that we marinate inside the dehydrate. I use 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half because the last one is just a little bit. So now I'm going to turn on the power. It's on the back. The main power is on the back. So now I turn it on, and also they have the on power here. So I hit it and I set to 6 hours, and I set to 160 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna cook our beef jerky. We're gonna let them dehydrate for 6 hours, and when it's 6 hours, we come back and check our beef jerky together. Okay, so now being about 3 hours that we being dehydrate our beef jerky. So, and I see from out here, it looks like they're going to be ready because I cut them thin. So I'm going to open them and check them real quick. Let me pull them out. I think they look like ready. Maybe because I cut them thin. So let me close it back, and then let's check this. I think they're ready. They cut it thin. They're a little bit thin. So, okay, so very much ready. So now I'm going to turn it off right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove all the beef jerky, and I can't wait to try this. So I see a little bit thin, but I'm excited to try this anyway. So okay, so now our beef jerky is done. I make a lot of beef jerky. It is all the 3 pounds all in the plate, and then also some more in the dehydrate. Okay, so now we're going to try my beef jerky. Okay, so now I'm ready to try the beef jerky. Okay, and look, check it out. It's not too bad, but this is my first time to make this beef jerky with the dehydrate, the Rovsun Dehydrator. So this is my first time. Actually, it's not bad, but I wish I add a little bit more soy sauce into it. It will be better. And some pieces next time I will cut a little bit thicker than this little bit, but these pieces I have it's perfect, but some pieces I cut it a little bit thin, too thin. Okay, if you're interested about the dehydrate, just check out the link below that I will put for you to Rovsun website. Rovsun is a website dedicated to improving the quality of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.